Hey, welcome to Growing Roots. My name's Angela. Today I'm going to give you one quick, easy trick that you can use to improve your tomato yield, and it's going to take you seconds to do. Well, maybe a few minutes if you have a lot of plants, but let's go ahead and dig in and let me show you what we got. All right, so I'm hiding over here down by our vertical tomato garden, and I wanted to show you the one simple thing that you can do to improve the yield of your tomatoes. So something happens on our tomatoes where there's an extra branch that gets grown, and it's called a sucker plant, and it's literally sucking all the nutrients and vitality out of your tomato plant. So if you remove this sucker plant, then your tomato plant is able to put its energy into bearing more fruit or tomatoes. I mean, it's vegetable in my mind, but technically fruit. So I wanted to show you up close and personal right in here, right here. So you can see this is the main stalk. Okay, can you see that? The main stalk here, and it's continuing upwards. And out here is where we have our tomato stem that might produce some leaves for us. But right here in the middle is the sucker plant. So you can always see wherever there's a V and you have the plant or the stem in the middle, that is a sucker plant. And all you need to do is bend that off. I usually pull them off before they get this big, and so if they usually get this big, I would probably use clippers to do it because it's a little bit harder. But let's find a smaller one so I can show you just how to pinch them off real quick. All right, this is the best part of vertical gardening. I'm standing up, so I don't even have to crunch down to do this, but you can see here at the top is the main stem, and moving out is this branch right in the middle, and I'm just going to use my fingernail to pinch it off. So it's so simple. When they're smaller, if you have bigger ones at the bottom that you didn't get as it was growing, it makes it a little bit more difficult. But you can see right up here at the top we have a sucker, so I'm just going to pinch that off, and that's fine. So you just come and move down the vine, and wherever it's not a vine, I guess, but the stem, and wherever you see the V and a little plant in the middle, or a little stem in the middle, you just clip that off. So look over here, there's another one. You can see that's the remnants of a tiny one that I already clipped off. Moving over here, there's another one there. So it might take you a few minutes every day to just continue this maintenance, but what you're doing is you're allowing the plant to put its energy into where it needs to so that it can continue to grow. See, that's where we're gonna have new tomatoes, but so that it can continue to grow all of these beautiful little tomatoes for you. I'm so excited. I love cherry tomatoes. Clipping off the little suckers is also going to help with air circulation on the plant. So if you live in a hot, humid area, or you water from the top and you don't want like that powdery mildew getting around on your vining plants, then cleaning off these suckers along the way is going to help with that air circulation to help the plant stay dry. There's nothing you can do about hot, humid days like today. I think it's like a heat index of 105 or something, and it's like 8 a.m. in the morning right now. But this is a great, quick, easy tip. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. This is a plant community. We are designed to help each other out. So if you aren't questioning and offering advice to others, then I'm not succeeding in what I'm doing. So comment below, share your tidbits, ask your questions, and keep growing. We'll see you in the next video.